Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of crafting with the best hot glue gun sticks available, the 90-piece set from Lulonpon. Let's get started. If you're someone who loves getting creative with DIY projects, crafts, or even repairs around the house, you know how essential a good hot glue gun can be. But what truly sets a project apart is the quality of the glue sticks you're using. And that's where these Lulonpon hot glue sticks shine. First off, let's talk variety. This pack comes with an impressive 15 vibrant colors, giving you endless possibilities for your projects. Whether you're working with wood, plastic, paper, glass, or fabric, these sticks have got you covered. But it's not just about the colors, it's about performance too. These glue sticks are made from high-quality colored EVA resin mixed with flash powder, ensuring a strong adhesive bond and great stability. Plus, they're non-toxic, tasteless, and environmentally friendly. But don't just take my word for it, customers are raving about these glue sticks. From the even color distribution to the excellent glue quality, people are loving the results they're getting with Lulonpon. Each stick measures 0.28 inches in diameter and 3.9 inches in length, making them compatible with most 2030W glue guns. And with 90 sticks in this pack, you'll have plenty to tackle all your projects. Now, a quick tip before you dive in. Make sure your adhesive surface is clean, dry, and free from any dust or oil for the best results. And remember, these sticks are designed for use with high-temperature glue guns, so always exercise caution when operating them. And if you ever have any questions or concerns, rest assured that Lulonpon has your back. Their after-sale maintenance is top-notch, with prompt responses to any inquiries within 24 hours. So there you have it, folks, the best hot glue gun sticks on the market. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just getting started, these Lulonpon glue sticks are sure to elevate your projects to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy crafting!